The drone community has been buzzing with anticipation for months, waiting for any sign of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Expectations were high, with many hoping for teasers, cryptic posts, or even a countdown to build excitement. Instead, DJI has remained eerily silent, leaving fans wondering if the highly anticipated drone would ever see the light of day. The silence has been deafening, creating a sense of restlessness among enthusiasts who expected the Mini 5 Pro to be the next revolutionary step in DJI's Mini lineup. The lack of communication has led to rampant speculation, with some even questioning whether the project had been shelved altogether. Just as hope began to fade, leaks started surfacing from trusted sources within the drone world. Well-known insiders like Jasper and Ilons dropped enough details to confirm that the Mini 5 Pro is not only real, but already deep in development. The most surprising revelation: the drone won't be launching this year. Instead, the target release has been pushed to September 2025. The delay appears to be due to DJI prioritizing its Osmo 360 project, along with rumored shipping and logistical challenges. For drone enthusiasts, especially in the US, the wait has been agonizing, like waiting for a pizza that never arrives. But the leaks assure us that the Mini 5 Pro is indeed coming, and if the rumors hold true, it might just be worth the extended wait. The leaks have been particularly intriguing because of the level of detail they provide. High-quality renders of the drone have surfaced online, along with sightings of its packaging. Even more interesting, the boxes are marked with different controller codes RCN3 RC2, suggesting that DJI may offer multiple controller options. But the most shocking detail: the absence of the under 249 grams inches marking, a hallmark of the Mini series. This classification has been a major selling point, allowing pilots in many countries to bypass registration requirements. If DJI is indeed abandoning this weight limit, it signals a bold shift toward prioritizing performance over regulatory convenience. One of the most exciting upgrades rumored for the Mini 5 Pro is its camera system. The drone is expected to feature a 1-inch image sensor, a significant leap for a mini-class drone. This larger sensor promises vastly improved low-light performance, wider dynamic range, and smoother background blur, giving footage a more cinematic, professional quality. Additionally, the camera is rumored to shoot 4K video at 120 frames per second, opening up stunning slow-motion possibilities. Imagine capturing every ripple of a coastline or the precise wing beats of a bird in flight. This level of detail could redefine creative drone filmmaking. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to boast a 225-degree rotation range, a rarity for drones of this size. This unprecedented flexibility could enable Hollywood-level shots, with smooth orbiting moves and complex transitions that were previously impossible without heavy rigging. For social media creators, the Mini 5 Pro's rumored vertical shooting capability is a game-changer. Filming TikToks, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts directly from the drone without awkward cropping means less editing and more time-sharing content. This feature alone could make the Mini 5 Pro must-have for influencers and content creators. On the safety front, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to surpass its predecessor with omnidirectional obstacle detection and forward-facing LiDAR, giving it near-complete awareness of its surroundings. Trees, bridges, power lines, and even fast-moving birds could be detected and avoided with greater reliability. Battery life is rumored to hover around 36 minutes with the standard pack, a slight improvement over the Mini 4 Pro. There's also talk of a 50-minute option, though this would likely come with added weight. Despite the wealth of leaks, some key details remain under wraps. DJI hasn't confirmed the final weight, accusing version, price, or wind resistance rating. But if the rumors hold, the Mini 5 Pro could redefine the compact drone category, blending pro-level performance with unmatched versatility. While DJI has stayed quiet, Insta360 has seized the moment, unveiling a prototype called the anti-gravity drone. Designed to stay under 249 grams, it offers full 360-degree capture at 8000 resolution, hot-swappable batteries, and AI-powered safety features. Its biggest advantage: the ability to reframe shots in post-production, giving creators endless creative flexibility. By maintaining the sub-250 grams weight, Insta360 is also appealing to new pilots who want to avoid registration hassles. This sets the stage for an epic 2025 drone rivalry. DJI, with its cinematic prowess, We'll go head-to-head with Insta360's innovative 360-degree approach. Whether you prioritize raw image quality or creative freedom, next year promises to be a thrilling time for drone technology. The Mini 5 Pro may be delayed, but if the leaks are any indication, it could redefine what a compact drone can do.